In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a combination switch on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the steering wheel. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the two bolts for the trim piece. One's going to be right here. Ours is missing. And one more in the corner right here. Pull the panel straight forward, popping all the clips, and remove it. You should have two T25 fasteners going up into the steering wheel. Ours are missing. If you have them, go ahead and remove them. We're going to separate the two pieces of plastic. There's a few clips that hold these on. If you need to, you can use a trim tool and get in between the two. If not, just use your fingers and pull them apart. Do this on both sides. Remove the top cover. And remove the bottom cover. We have two T25 screws holding our combination switch on. Go ahead and remove both of those. We have this one up top. You're going to pull your steering wheel until the top is facing your driver door. And there's going to be one more right there. Pull the ignition switch up. Now we have two connectors we have to get after. Lift up on this tab, pull straight back. And remove that connector. Do the same thing on the other one. We actually had three. Remove all three connectors and remove the combination switch. Install the connectors into the combination switch. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the combination switch. Make sure it's sitting in place. It'll drop in and lock in, and then it won't be able to go anywhere. Install the two screws. Get the screw started by hand and snug it down. Install the lower trim piece into place. Install the shifter boot into the trim piece. Install the top trim piece. Install the two trim pieces together. If you have the two T25 screws for the bottom steering wheel cover, go ahead and install those now. Snug them down. Install the trim piece into place. Push and fully seat it. Install the 10mm bolts on bottom. We only have one. If you have the one for the other side, go ahead and do that now.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.